How to adjust alarm sound in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and click on system sound. Now go back and click on volume. Now here you can see no specific option for alarm, but here you can see the alarm option after update. And if you can't adjust your alarm here, then go back to your home screen and open your clock app. Now click on alarm and then click on your alarm. Now click on alarm sound and here you can see the slider option. Now here you can increase or decrease your alarm volume. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.